Now fine. Good
Yes,
evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes, I am fine. I am fit and fiddle.
Okay, that is good to hear.
Okay. So, ma'am, it's our first meeting. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Pallavi and I'm an English trainer by profession. I teach online English and
Okay.
I've been teaching online from last 10 years full time. And
Wow,
I love
fantastic.
bringing yes, and I love
Okay.
bringing changes in the life of other people because when they speak English, their life actually changes.
Yeah, definitely. I also feel this moment because before 4 months ago, I started my YouTube channel and my journey also. So I feel very energetic, and now this time I feeling very comfortable, very fantastic. So, especially firstly, thanks for giving me this opportunity because I don't know, but now this time I know who are you. So, yeah, I feel very happy. By that time, I connect so famous and English trainer. Okay. So,
Mhm.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Okay. So, can I introduce myself?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. So my name is Geeta Rajput. I live in Chhattisgarh. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my post graduation and computer diploma also. I'm a mother of two kids. And yeah, ma'am, I told you that I have started my YouTube channel. My channel name is Crazy for English and Motivate. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, that is good to hear.
Okay. So,
So,
ma'am,
mhm,
please tell me that you are an English trainer. So, what's your experience, ma'am?
experience as in about teaching experience.
Yes.
See, I tell you, my teaching experience is very good. I am very passionate about teaching and giving training to the people. And I feel so happy, and it gives me a lot of immense happiness and to see the changes in the life of the people when they
Yes.
improve. And it is a kind of like easygoing things with me because I'm not a rigid teacher. I won't say, no, only this is my way out. You have to follow, so I make the things tailored and customized as per the needs of the students. So
Yes.
that's how I go in the classes.
Okay. So if you face beginners, so how can you maintain that? But that time beginners are no any ideas in the grammar part, and then after how can make sentence. So how can you maintain, ma'am?
See, I tell you this suggestion I give to everybody: when you are a beginner, only two trouble a beginner gets. First trouble is that you do not have English environment.
Yeah. Yes.
Second
Right.
trouble the beginners get it is they lose the consistency. Like you start in full swing, like yes, I will learn English, I will do this, I will do that, and then
Yeah.
after some time, after 2 or 3 months, the motivation goes down, and
Yeah.
at
Yeah.
the end
Yeah.
of the day, you say,
Definitely.
It is
Yeah.
not my cup of tea."
Yeah. You were right, ma'am. Because it's my yeah, it's my thinking and my 4 month experience. Just so yeah, consistency is very important, ma'am. If you're consistent, so yeah, definitely. Because I feel now that just only 4 months. Now this time I am comfortable. My zone.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yes.
so I give the advice like for the beginners. Number one, see, in India we cannot get the English environment. This is so
Yeah.
true. It cannot
Yeah.
happen that you will suddenly say the people around you, oh, start speaking in English. It won't happen.
Yeah.
So what to do, like how to create English environment for yourself, it is think in English, because
Yeah.
I totally believe the language we think is the language we speak. If you will
Yes.
think most of the time in your mother language, in Hindi or any language, you will say that language the best. But if you think in English all the time, you will be speaking English the best. So
Yeah.
that's how you
Yeah.
can create environment for yourself.
Yeah. Yes, I am. Yes, ma'am. Because I also follow these rules. I think all time, 24 hours. Uh, left my sleeping time. I only think in English. I know that I'm not a perfect. I'm not right all time. But yeah, I think in English. So it's a very benefit for my side.
This is really good to hear that you follow this practice. And next, consistency. You should be consistent for at least 1 year if you are a beginner and you really want to improve your English. So, when you started, you should give around 1 year to your skills. Then only you will be seeing the positive changes you are expecting.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So,
So,
these
ma'am, okay.
things I
Yeah,
suggest.
yeah. So, ma'am, a lot of people, and I also, that now this time I speak and I understand that other person which is learner and which is a speak, so I understand. But problem is that when I start speaking, so I have lot of mistake in our grammar part. So how can I maintain our grammar?
See, grammar comes by practice only. First of all, one should not hesitate to speak. Suppose if you wonder my grammar is not good enough, so I should not start. No, you should start. You should ready to make mistakes. Only then you can improve. Because
Yes,
if you're making the mistakes while speaking, it is a positive sign that you are improving. Because a person who makes the mistakes is the one who practices. If you're not making the mistake, means you are not practicing, but
yeah,
if you are making the mistakes, means you are practicing. So
yeah,
you should practice daily. If grammar errors comes up, daily take one topic starting from the basics to advanced. Daily take one topic. Nowadays there are so many material available online, even in YouTube you have a lot of videos. You can
yeah.
daily take one topic from there and you can practice. Even my YouTube channel, I have a YouTube channel by the name of Learn English with Pallavi Dhingra. There also
Okay.
I add the videos regularly. You can even watch that and you can improve your English a lot from there as well.
Yes, I agree with you, ma'am. That by that time we are watch a conversation video and any English content because we are a learner in English partner. So yeah, definitely this is very useful for every learner.
Hmm. Yes,
Yes.
these things really help a lot to improve your English and your conversation.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, and ma'am, second point is that when I learn advanced word, so I forget all time. I use it when conversation just only basic words. So why I can't maintain these things?
See, there is a very good trick for it. Even you said you have two kids. What's the age of your kids?
Yeah, my elder is a 13 year and younger is a 11 year.
Okay, so you can even do that activity with your kids as well. How come? That
Yeah.
let me do live with you. Can you
Yes.
see my screen share?
Now this time, no.
You cannot see my screen?
No, ma'am. No.
Wait, now I believe you can see. You can see I type a word.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now
Okay,
I see. Yes,
the
I watched your screen.
word that you can see on my screen.
Um, that's my WhatsApp channel.
No, no, no. Can you see a word I sent you in the chat box? Can you see a word?
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. But that time this is not write down. Just only read.
Yes, read. Okay, what is
Yeah.
the last letter of the word read?
D.
D. Very good. Now, can you tell me any word that starts from D?
Yeah. Difficulty is in every person's life.
Okay, only one word, difficulty. Now, what is the last letter of the word difficulty?
Why?
Okay. Now, can you tell me a word that begins with Y?
Yes, ma'am. Words. Just only word.
Yes, any word. Only one word that starts from Y.
Yes. Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. What's the last letter of the word yellow?
W.
Okay. Now, please say a word that begins from W.
Website.
Okay.
Yeah,
Website.
it's
Now,
a
the-
fantastic game. I like this game.
what's the last letter of the
E.
word website? Now, tell a
E.
word that begins from E.
Electricity.
So, do you understand what activity we are doing over here?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so we call this activity as word chain activity. Also, we call it as vocabulary enhancement activity. So,
Okay,
see,
but
you
yeah, it's a very
learn
fantastic, ma'am. Yeah.
if you learn few words, then what happens? You tend to forget. But by doing this activity daily, but like 3 to 4 minutes, you will be seeing that your English is getting improved, and moreover, you will be using better words in your speech as well. And you can do it with your kids as well. And this is called
Okay.
brain sharpening exercise. It also helps you to improve your memory power.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
We do this activity for 5 to 6 minutes, and it will really help you to improve your vocabulary, and you will be seeing that you will be start using English words in your speech.
Yes. So it's a benefit when I connected to English trainer. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
fantastic. Yes, because I connect. I use Skype app. So I connect a lot of people. I attend a 500 session in my Skype app. Okay, but yeah, I'm not satisfied. But now this time I connect with you, so I realize that yeah, this is benefit for me.
Yeah. So you
Yes.
can also learn a lot from like from this, and even you can do this activity with your kids also. When you will be doing with your kids, so they will also enjoy and you will also enjoy. So
Yes.
both,
Yes.
and even your memory will increase. Some people say after the age of 40 we tend to forget the things. So but by doing this activity you will be feeling that yes, your both the sides of the brain really works very well.
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. A lot of people tell that after 14 year, uh, people forget a lot of word because memory power is down. But if we are practice every day, so yeah, this is not a big problem.
Yes, so you can keep on maintaining your level and surely you could remember the things very well.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. So give me this advice and you connect with me. And I
Okay.
want to, yes, I want to that we will connect week and this is possible.
Yeah, sure, we can.
Yeah, and you check me my improvement. So due to this, tell you.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So give me this opportunity. And do you have any question for me? Because I am a beginner, you know.
Yes, I could see you are a beginner, and I'm very happy to see, yes, you are improving because, see, my main purpose, I want to see, like, while conversing, how curious people are these days. They really want to learn and improve. And I'm really happy to see you being a beginner. You stay at home, and that is, you're from a small place, still, you have the enthusiasm to learn. This is really very good and appreciable. Keep going, keep up the spirit, and all the
Okay.
best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. Bye. Nice talking to you.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. Very nice conversation, and I'm very happy. I can't explain my words. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye.